In this exercise, we will look more into how to handle VC dots. So you will learn how to make the two basic shapes that we have on the screen right now. So, the first thing we do is to delete them and to create our own ones. The first one looks a bit tricky, but is really simple. So start off by finding VC.1 RGB, clicking on that, putting it on the canvas, clicking it out, and then start by selecting snake in the orientation, pixel count 100, set the start position top left, start direction horizontal, horizontal pixel count 10, and then horizontal and vertical pixel spacing to 100 millimeters, and OK. And there you go, the shape is created. The second fixture, even though a little bit smaller, is a little bit more complex. So you click out the first one, set orientation to left to right, set the pixel count to 20, because this is a 20 pixel string, and keep the pixel spacing at 100. And then you have a flat string created. And then click on the first pixel. If they're red, the whole one is selected. Double click will mean you're on individual pixels. If you move the first pixel with the arrow keys or pull them around, it will move the whole string. Use tab to go to the second pixel and nudge it up. Tab to the next one. Tab to the third. You can also use shift tab to go back. So then you just go around the pixels here and nudge them to the positions where you want them. This is also way simpler to do with a background image. So you could even install your pixels, take a photo, and then import that photo as a background image to use for the first ones to map around so you get them perfectly. So you keep going, so you need to find your way around your up, down, left, right on the pixels, because they move with they cannot be any longer than the 100 millimeters that the cables are. They can be shorter, however, because you could potentially pull the cable in beneath or underneath the dots. Now we're getting kind of close. But of course, as it's free-form fixtures, it will take you a while to get them perfect. I'm using only the arrow keys to nudge them around. You can of course use your mouse if you're better with free clicking on the fixtures. But then tab and shift tab to go back and forth on the pixel selection. Using this in combination with highlight will also mean it's only that pixel that's highlighted. So now we're almost there, but not quite perfect. So we still need to do some nudging around on the string to get it to look even better. That would do it, but not really the way we want it to do. So we'll start out somewhere here. Maybe there, and then pop them up a little bit. We'll make them look a bit better. To get that one straighter. And there we go. Now we have a decent shape. If you have multiple strings with the same layout, you can just mark them, copy and paste them to copy the whole layout as they are. If you want, you can copy both of them, make a new copy and paste them in, and then pull them into position. And then try a magic trick. You get to that trick by selecting both of the newly fresh copied dot layouts, then right click and go horizontal flip. So that will mirror the dot layouts in the way that they were. So now you have a perfect mirror of the first two.